Suppose if I'm talking about the graphical representation of a signal, if I'm talking about the graphical representation of the signal, if I want to talk about this graphical representation of symbolizing this discrete time signal, suppose I am considering a signal x of n. When you are studying this course, Signals and System, you will find this n, or you will find x of t. So these are basically to distinguish. This one we are considering as a continuous time, and this one we are considering as a discrete type signal. So when we want to represent a signal x of n, I have a discrete signal x of n with values x of -2, this is -3, x of -1 is equal to 2, x of 0 equal to 0, x of 1 equal to 3. So here you can see that I have assumed that the signal having the value of n is -2, -1, 0, and 1. So at this particular discrete point, I can represent this signal x of n in the graphical representation like this way. So this will be your x-axis, and this is your y-axis. So the value of n will be represented on this x-axis. So this point will be 0. Then this point will be 1. This point will be 2. This point will be -1. This is -2. Now, if you look at this discrete signal x of n, you can see this, the value of n is equal to -2 and the amplitude is -3. So you can assume this is the positive way, 1, 2, 3, and this is negative side, -1, -2, -3. Now, if you look at this point -2, the amplitude is -3, so our signal will be here. So this will be represented as this way. Next is x of -1. Amplitude is 2. So at this point of x of -1, the value will be 2. X of 0, this is 0. X of 1, it is 3. So this is the way you can represent a discrete signal in the form of graphical representation.